Hello everyone, welcome to today's Python tutorial. In today's tutorial, we are going to take a look on with not variables, input. So, let's say inputs are like, when you take surveys and stuff, like when you enter in your name, age, and stuff, and then it'll have an output of something. It's like that. So let's say we want to make like a survey. So let's name this name. So first they'll ask you your name, and then that will be input. Instead of print, it'll be input, and then you would do please enter your name, and then do that, and then it would be print hello, and then plus name. So let's try that out. Please enter your name. My name is Jim. Hello, Jim. So what the computer did, it took this information, and then since name is equal to the input that you gave it, it would print out the input that you give it. So let's restart. Please enter your name, Pam, and then hello, Pam. That's cool. So now age, and then that will be equal input. Please enter your age, and then it will be print hello, and then plus name, and then plus you are, and then plus again, and then age. Age. So let's try that out. Please enter your name. Kevin. Hello, Kevin. And then please enter your age. I am 34. Hello, Kevin. You are 34. Actually, you need to add a space right here. So let's redo that. Please enter your name. My name is Oscar. I'll just enter the same age. Hello, Oscar. You are 34. And that is input. And thank you, everyone, for watching this Python tutorial.